If you consider the possible outcomes here, Iffat, in terms of the number of girls that a family could have that has 3 children, the family could have as few as 0 girls to as many as 3 girls. And so we want to determine what the probability distribution of number of girls for this family would look like. So first we recognize that the only way for them to have 0 girls is if all 3 children are boys, and the only way for them to have 3 girls is, of course, if all 3 children are girls. So then we have to think about the combinations of 1 girl with 2 boys. And you see they could have the girl first or second or third, so there are 3 combinations of 1 girl and 2 boys. There are also 3 combinations of 2 girls and 1 boy. And those are the 3 combinations. So basically we see that there are a total of 8 possible outcomes in terms of number of girls that a family could have with 3 children. So if we want to construct a PDF, a probability distribution table for X, the number of girls, then we would want to identify first all the different values of X, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and then second, all of their respective probabilities. Well, 1 of the 8 has 0 girls, 3 of the 8 has 2 girls, 3 of the 8, 1 girl, also have 2 girls, and then 1 of the 8 have 3 girls. So there's your probability distribution function. Finally, of course, to make the histogram, we would want to show the number of girls that the family could have, 0, 1, 2, or 3, and then build a bar above each of those representing the probability. Let me know if you have other questions.